Dale here. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from your Chime to your Cash App. So to do this, it's pretty simple. First, open up your Cash App and I'll show you here through screenshots. Because I don't have Cash App in my country, I will show it to you right here. So first, you'll have to go to the top right corner when you're gonna open the application. Tap your profile right there. And then from there, you'll have to go to link banks. So when you do this, just scroll to the next chain icon and scroll down until you see your linked debit card. So here, just tap on your existing debit card or just link a debit card. If you don't want to, just replace the card and then tap the link card to debit. So next is going to be using this. So you have to add a bank using your debit card. So enter your Chime card details. So just follow as the fields go, just as your month, year, your 3-digit CVV, and your zip code. So next you'll have to link this card, and then next you will see right here you tap the dollar amount if you're using your Android or bank icon if you're using your iPhones. So you'll see how much these two options in the lower left corner of your Cash App, it shows how much money is in your Cash App account. So next you'll have to press add cash. So you can also use an ATM to deposit money, of course, and you can go to a 7-Eleven to add money to your Cash App account, of course. So here you'll enter how much you want to transfer. You can tap the tiles with the suggested monetary value right here, just like this $2 right here, and then you can add the $2. And there you go. That is how you add your Chime as a debit card. Basically, you can transfer money from your Chime to your Cash App already. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.